Hello, this is Ivy Wynn, the program coordinator with the UT Physician International District. Today, we're going to join Dr. Wu to introduce us seasonal vegetable and fruit. Enjoy.
Okay, so we are growing Chinese cucumber. Two varieties. One is white, one is green. And then we have to prepare this bed, make sure there's no weed. And then we add chicken manure. One bag of chicken manure, about 40 pounds, enough for 100 square feet surface area of the raised bed. When you prepare that, and then you put a thin layer of wood ash, which will give you some fertilizer, and then you can kill some bugs, bed bugs on the soil. When it's ready, you dig a hole and put the Chinese cucumber in there, and then you put the layer of straw. This will do two functions. One, you shape the soil so that it will not, the water will not evaporate too fast, and also to prevent the leaf to coming touching the soil. If the leaf touches the soil, when you water it, there are problems coming out. The growth will be reduced.